Hi, this is Deepak. Today I am going to share with you how to add dramatic colors to your image by using special blend modes in Photoshop. Click on the adjustment layer icon right there and choose solid color. Select the color of your choice. In my opinion, with this reference, I really like this cyanish color. So let's go ahead and choose this color and hit OK. Now I will choose hard mix. I know it doesn't look right. If you decrease the opacity, it doesn't be. However, if you decrease the fill, it starts making sense and it controls the projection. So let's set that to about 22% for the water. But for the clouds, it's becoming an excessive amount of. So you will use masks here. You can select the mask and with the assistance of gradient tool, just apply it to the water for the sky. There you go. Here is the before and here is the after. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.